Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Well, in this video I'm going to teaching you the different types of trading. If you are a beginner and you want to start trading but you have no idea, you are confused which type of trading is best for you. There are four types of trading: scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trade. So each and every type of trading has their own pros and cons, and each type of trading has fit different personality, lifestyle, and mindset. So in this video I'm gonna making it super easier for you guys, so you guys at the end of this video understand which type of trading is best fit for you guys. The first one is scalping. As you know, nowadays everyone gonna tell you that I can make $1,000, $10,000 in 1 minute, in 30 seconds. So most beginners are confused and frustrated, like how these guys can make thousands of dollars in just few seconds. Actually, is this is because of the scalping. Scalping is the fastest type of trading in which you can hold a trade for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute or 2 minutes. And you know, the main goal of scalping is to make small profits in multiple trades, 10 to 15 trades a day. If you are a beginner, I am suggesting to you guys don't start scalping because this is very risky. If you are a professional trader, if you have knowledge, if you are the master in technical and fundamental analysis, then you can start it. But if you are a beginner, you have no ideas about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, you have no ideas about charts, you have no ideas about candlesticks, trends, so you can lose everything if you can direct jump into scalping. So don't start scalping. For example, in cryptocurrency, you can enter a trade and after 30 seconds you can exit the trade with 0.5% profit. So this is called scalping. The second one would be day trading. Day trading is slower than scalping but still active. In simple word, day trading means you can buy and sell a trade within same day, nothing left overnight. For example, you can enter a trade at 9 a.m. and hold it for a few hours, and then you can exit from the trade at 12 p.m. So you can hold a trade for few hours. This type of trading is called day trading. Okay, the third one would be the swing trade. Swing trade means you can hold the trades for few weeks to even months. You can hold a trade. This is called swing trade. Swing trade is more slower than day trading and scalping. You don't need to sit back in front of the screen all the day. You just need fundamental analysis and little bit technical analysis. For example, let's say you can see the Bitcoin making a bullish flag. You set a stop loss and enter in a trade, and you can hold it until your target is hit. So for example, let's say you can hold it for 1 week or 2 weeks and your target is hit. So this type of trading is called swing trading. And the fourth one, which is position trade, and most big whales can do this, and every big investor, Warren Buffett and much more, they're gonna do the position trade. They can hold a trades for months to even years. Let's say, for example, you can buy golds. You know that golds can beat every time inflation can't beat the gold. So you can buy gold and hold it for at least 6 months, and after 6 months you can sell it, so you can make a huge amount of profit. For example, most biggest investor can do the position trade. They can't do the scalping, day trading, like they avoid these. While the small investor or small traders, they're gonna start scalping, day trading, and swing trade. So these are the four types of trading, and I hope you understand each and every point. But remember, in my previous video, as I say that there are two things which is most important in trading. If you want to be a successful trader, first one, you have to be patient. If you have passion, you are a successful trader, but if you have no patience, you always lose. And the second one, you have to control your emotions. If you can control your emotions, like, I mean, what does it mean? Fear and greed. If you can control your fear and greed during trading, you can make huge amount of profit. But if you can't control it, you can't make huge amount of profit. So I hope you're gonna get some value from my videos. So if you are new, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. Thank you so much.